Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to read a manga on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and more strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the application, and the home screen you can check the latest updates. And if you want to read a manga, just click that. For example, the One Piece, and just scroll down and you can check the page. And if you go to the 3 line, you can check the profile at the manga, the informations, and if you go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, you can find the settings section, and you can edit the reading direction and the resolution. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.